Sometimes, especially with a lighter colored cabinetry, you can get marks on these. Don't fret, don't worry. Oftentimes, just a damp cloth will be all that you need to give it a light rub. Most of the time, marks will come out. Sometimes though, you'll get things that are just a little bit more stubborn. In that case, you really want to be careful not to over scrub on the cabinet because you could cause a rub mark or dull the surface. But just a little bit of dish soap, water, rub it down, and then when you're done, to make them all look the same, dry the area. That will help a lot. If you get any grease or oils from cooking on it, make sure that if you don't just clean one area, if you get a grease mark, clean the whole door, dry it all at the same time. Then it will make everything look very similar.